All right, today I'm out here with the Antigravity A1. I'm just going to do a quick first flight. It's really cold out here today, and it doesn't look so good. It's kind of gray out, so just going to do a quick flight, see what it looks like, see what it feels like, and I'll do a longer review at another time. I just want to get it in the air, see how it flies. Right, I'll go ahead and start it up. Okay, and then push this to. All right, this is how you turn it in the mode that I'm in right now. That's what the landing gear looks like. If I hit this, landing gear goes down, landing gear up. All right, I'll put the goggles on and fly it around. Then look all around. Whoa. This is definitely a different experience. Let's fly forward. I'm going sideways. Still going sideways. Let's go this way. I'll hit that button. Now I got the cursor in the front. Now I hit forward. Tilt it back to go up. I'm just looking all around. Go ahead and bring it back. Not sure what mode I'm in. Again, this is my first flight. I know there's two different ways that you can control how it turns. Right now, I'm not in. I'm in the mode where you have to point to where you're going. I'll go down. Right now, I'm just pointing the drone where I want it to go. And I'll bring it down some. And I'll see if I can change modes. Just bringing it down. Come on. Hi. Okay, let's go ahead and go into the menu. I have to see what that is. In menu, let's go into FPV mode. Okay. Get out of menu. We'll center it here. Now all I have to do is bend my wrist to fly it. This is a lot easier. Pointing down still brings it down. Pointing up still brings it up. All I have to do is twist my wrist to fly, so I don't have to turn my body all the way around. This is by far the most immersive I've seen in a drone, even with the DJI goggles. It's a blast to fly. Let's go ahead and change modes. Trying to change modes. Doesn't look like it's doing nothing. Oh, it's a slider. I'm in sport mode. Oh boy. Let's see how sport mode does. Sport mode's a lot faster. Strong winds. I know. Let's follow this car around. All right, let's go ahead and bring it in. I don't want to do too much today. This is my first flight, so I'm going to go ahead and bring this thing in. Long press to brake, return to home automatically. Return to home. To use return to home, switch to free motion mode. Cancel. I'm just going to bring it in. Don't want to do too much playing right now. Just going to bring it home. I'm not sure what all the modes, what the free motion mode is, so I'm just using this right here, this lever here, to bring it down. Bring it closer to me. Oh crap! There we go. Got tilted down. Tilt down a little more. And bring it all the way down. Let's see if the landing gear comes down on its own. Let's go ahead and hit this. All right, so that was my first flight with the Antigravity A1. Successful flight. Just wanted to get it up in the air, fly it around a little. I need to read up on it some more, make sure I know what I'm doing. This thing does cost almost $2,000, so I don't want to crash it. And I will be doing a full review later on. So if you like the video, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.